Alright, today we're gonna load a custom tune onto my SCT flasher and install it on my car. So the first thing you gotta do is save the files to your computer. I saved it under Tune Stuff right over here. Next, you're gonna load custom tune file, and hopefully this will go along quickly. Yeah, this could take a little bit, so I'm gonna show you what more to do once this is all done. Alright, we just finished installing the device driver. So now what you're gonna want to do is, god darn, plug in your device back to the computer. Your device will boot up, which is kind of cool. And then go to load custom tune file. Available tunes. We're gonna browse for that, and I have mine saved to my desktop, which is nice. Here's the file. Open that up, and then add it to device. No description, I guess that'll be fine. And then we're done loading the custom tune. So I'll see you guys out by the car. Alright guys, here she is. Getting ready to get a little bit faster today. I'm pretty excited. God, I can't wait to move out of here. Look what people, it's like a weave. Alright. Lock the car. Don't mind the mess. It's a little bit dirty right now. Okay. So, we got the tune loaded onto the flasher. Plug the flasher in. There's an OBD2 port down here. Just go right in there. And then we got the HDMI port at the top here of the flasher. God damn, I don't want to force anything. Alright. Done. So then, it's going to boot up. And going to want to go to Program Vehicle. This device is not legal or safe for use in California. Blah blah blah. Okay, continue. Turn key on. Alright. He just wants it in the on position, not actually on. Yeah, my my car's hating me right now. Wants me to close the door. You know, it's like 111 out. Alright, continue. Two-liter focus, yes. Alright, I guess this isn't happening right now. Okay, we're back here. I actually found the issue. Before you load the custom tune, make sure to hit program. I'm going to add that earlier in the video, so you probably already saw it. So then, program vehicle, street use notice, continue. Key in the on position. Alright, and go to available custom tunes, no description. And I've seen another video on this. It might take, this custom tune will disable your preloaded tunes. If you have any questions, more information. Alright, thank you. Awesome. Okay, I'm a little confused here because it told me to turn the key off, and then I don't know. It seems to be working. Finalizing tune. So I believe what it's doing is saving my stock tune. Turn key on. Do not start the engine. Alright. Oh man, it's hot out today. Car is, I don't think you can see it really. Getting up to 113. Processing data. It's kind of scary. All the gauges and everything turned off. So you can see it's definitely messing with the ECU. Didn't think it would unload all the user interface and everything. You know, the key is in the on position. Alright, I'm gonna speed through this. Hopefully I'll figure out a way to speed up the video. Oh wow, computer just booted back up. Unlocking processor. Don't know what that means. Alright, so I think this is the transmission control unit who's downloading the tune. In addition, well, because this is an auto, this tune, you know, the Ford Focus dual clutch transmission has some issues, so my tuner at Focus Power Tunes, or FocusPower.com, I guess, made some changes to the transmission control unit. It's gonna make it shift faster, hopefully, and it'll also apparently make it more drivable at lower speeds, which I'm really excited about. It's a big downfall on this car. But let's get back to speeding it up. All right, turn key off. Done. All right, hopefully this puppy fires right up. This is a little nerve-wracking. Gonna take the key out completely. And all right. Here she is. Everything, I don't know why it's not focusing right. There we go. Everything seems to be running pretty normal. You know, it's got like the cold start-ish idle. Maybe that'll calm down in a little bit. Yeah. So this car doesn't have too many mods done to it engine-wise. Just a catback and a drop-in air filter. So we'll see what kind of gains. I mean, we're not going to know what kind of gains we actually get. I never did a baseline dyno on this thing, but I plan to dyno it kind of soon. I think that would be fun. But I'm going to take her for a little spin, and I will show you guys eventually what that looks like. Bye. All right, we are back. Hopefully no one's in front of us. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Seems like this is kind of the end of the little driving clip. So I'm just going to talk about the tune a little bit in general. I've had it on for a couple months now. Done a couple revisions on it. Sorry I haven't gotten the chance to film the data logging yet. Hopefully that can happen in due time. Let me know if y'all want that. And so my I guess not final thoughts, but my ongoing thoughts of the tune are, well, let's just say, is it worth it? I think so. Spent like $400 on it, and I wouldn't say the tune in itself, the first tune, is worth $400. Probably not. Although it did fix a lot of things with the car, like transmission shudder and, I mean, just overall drivability. But what I will say is worth it is the service you get from it. Tom from Focus Power does a very good job. He responds very quickly. Like, for example, I installed a catless header on my car like a month back or so, and he immediately got a new tune out to me on a weekend, might I add, and went over and then it was a new base map, and then he went over the data log that I sent him back, and he got that back to me within, I think, 24 hours. Turned off my check engine light for the O2 sensors and whatnot. So in that sense, I think it's definitely worth it. Had the car dynoed. It's making 175 wheel, which I think is a great improvement over the, 160 crank stock, which I'd say is about probably like 145 wheel. I don't really know. Either way, I think it's around a 30 horsepower gain, or maybe even a little bit more. And honestly, I don't think the mods alone could have gotten those kinds of gains. It's very good for a naturally aspirated car. But yeah, those are my final thoughts on it. Let me know what you guys think of the video.